Santa Ana Volcano.
We paid the entrance fee.
Pierde la vida.
Izalco is a spectacular.
Our guide is ahead of us. We are walking on lava.
Wow. Super.
The crater lake of the volcano.
Let's see how much trees they have.
Good morning, dear friends. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to visit Santa Ana Volcano. Guys, it's the best things. If you forget to buy something, they just come in the bus and they offer you.
Food, snacks, sandwiches, everything what you need.
So dear friends, we reached the place, the point. We had to pay $50 because we are going to cross some private property, and now we have to pay the guide and we'll go with the group.
We paid the entrance fee $4.
Strange, there is no humidity and it's just cool, it's perfect. So far I can say that the trail is extremely easy.
No pueden sobrepasar el límite, que sería la orilla del cráter, ya que si usted lo sobrepasa, pues se puede caer y pues peligroso, pierde la vida.
So here is the view. Incredible nice, honestly.
Izalco is a spectacular conical volcano, also known as the lighthouse of the Pacific, due to its frequent eruption in the past.
Our guide is ahead of us. I don't know what we pay for him, but it is very important for us to take our time, not to rush with the group, because I have people in a group which are very trained to run on the mountains and people which are less trained, so they just want to show their their skills. This is the trail. We are now out of the forest completely. We are not far from the crater.
The view is really nice. And the trail is okay if you don't have like the good pressure.
We are kind of lucky because the sky is a bit cloudy here.
The views are stunning, honestly. We are on the probably on the last part of the trail, or at least we are hoping that. It is really stunning, honestly.
So many aloe veras in here, and don't forget we are walking on lava. So it's time for a break, guys. Don't forget to take some snacks with you, or a sandwich or whatever. And we are almost on the crater. Check this lunar landscape. Isn't it amazing? And this is waiting you when you reach the top. We are not alone.
Wow. Super. Honestly, I didn't really expect to be so beautiful and so big. Imagine the crater is so large, and look at the color of the water there. And you can feel in the air the smell of the sulfurous.
The crater lake of the volcano is acidic, has a distinctive turquoise color, and is periodically fed by underground hydrothermal activity, serving as an indicator of volcanic activity in the area.
There is a rock in here so you can jump on and take amazing pictures. This volcano is the highest in El Salvador, but the color of the lake is I have no words. It's something that I've never seen before.
It is so difficult to describe in words, honestly, how beautiful it is.
These natural gradients not only present a fascinating geological spectacle, but also reveal clues about the violent past of El Salvador's highest volcano. The striking contrast between the colorful rocks and the turquoise hue of the crater lake creates a dramatic landscape, a paradise for geology buffs and photography enthusiasts alike.
It's so quiet in here and pleasant.
We wanted to enjoy the silence.
Check this view, guys, it's tremendous. To find the viewpoint in here, basically is a meta structure. You have to climb a little bit, but the view from here is stunning, honestly.
After enjoying a lot the Santa Ana Volcano, we said that it's time to eat something, no? And what else if not pupusas? Here we are. We know it is a large variety of them, but our favorite one is garlic and cheese. Let's see how much cheese they have. Yeah, they have a few, I would say. So
I'm so curious. Tell me how it tastes like.
nice, delicious.
Delicious. That's great. Okay, let's enjoy then. And what is that? We had the sauce as well, and
And this is the cabbage.
is it spicy or salty?
It's salty.
Oh gosh, I can't wait.
We ate the pupusas and now we're heading
Delicious.
the bus. Mine weren't so delicious, honestly, but they were okay.
I love pupusas, and I will tell you something, guys. If you buy one pupusa here and then 100 meters up another one, is different.
Of course, because it's
It's,
different.
and it's delicious. I love it. I love it. I love it.
This one wasn't my favorite. That one in San Salvador, it was. So, guys, today we served the volcano Santa Ana, which was amazing, honestly. The most beautiful one that I saw in my life. And the expenses were around $11 per person with everything like transportation, entrance fee, guide, entrance on the private area, all these entrance fees. Yeah, not expensive, but tremendous, beautiful.